Hello and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. It does look more and more as if Ethereum has put a local top in place. A local top in this third wave, even though we haven't broken below upper micro support here, our support level at 3,630. But I can tell you that based on the price structure and price behavior I see right now, and things might have already moved on when you watch the video, that's just what it is when we're dealing with videos here. You see that we had a response to that upper micro support level, which is great, okay, and technically that allows for still another upside extension, but it's only a 3-wave rally, so it's just corrective. So I think somehow there are different ways how this could unfold, but we seem to still be moving in this corrective pullback. And there is no sign that we take a direct route higher. Now, this correction, that we're really in this wave 4 correction in an ABC structure, ABC, that would be further confirmed if we get a break below $3,630, because as I explained to you in the last videos, as long as we're holding above that level, technically speaking, the market might extend higher more directly, right? At least if we can avoid a decisive break below that level. But any break below it would shift the focus towards, okay, we're in that larger pullback. We're already in that larger wave 4 with support between $3,091 and $3,476. And all that means is, yeah, prepare for a deeper pullback. But I'm not saying that we necessarily should go all the way down to $3,091. It's more a matter of, yeah, if we break below 3,630, then we assume we are in that larger fourth wave, which should hold 3,091. Not that it needs to reach 3,091. Very, very important. So we might have started a bit of a pullback now. I mean, it's not even a major pullback. If you look at the corrections we've had in recent weeks, I mean, we had, look, this one was quite weak. Then we had here one that lasted a few days. We had a correction here. And then this was a little longer. Yeah. And this doesn't necessarily need to be a massive one, because if I'm correct, then this would be this wave degree. So we don't necessarily need that massive correction. It's natural that support levels are moving away from the price, or the price moves away from support levels, Fibonacci support, even though they move with the price. But it's a bit like a spring, right? It moves with it, but the distance kind of still increases between support and the price. And that means risk is very high when we have a very, very aggressive uptrend. Just because the distance to Fibonacci support, which keeps the structure intact, is so high. But yeah, I mean, that's what I'm tracking right now. Hold on. If I had to give you a microstructure for circle wave A, I mean, honestly, it looks a little bit like this, that we might have bottomed in an A wave of A. We now sort of might be working on wave B of A, and then this is how it could play out. And then the question is, okay, circle wave A, is circle wave A going to be all of the wave 4, or do we get a broader wave 4? Well, that's the next question to answer. I mean, I can say, hey, maybe this is going to be all of it, all of the wave 4, with a question mark at least. But that's unreliable, and at the moment, too early to confirm. So for now, I think it's clear we are in some kind of a correction. And as long as the market stays below the last swing high here at around 3,855, I think we at least should be prepared that the support zone will be reached. That's the update on Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.